Chinese cooking can be very healthy as it contains low carb as well as low fat dishes. Today, I am sharing with you 2 low-carb Chinese recipes for Chinese green beans and Chinese lemon chicken, a classic in Chinese cooking. Low-carb recipe of lemon chicken. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons dry sherry, 4 green spring onions, chopped 1 piece of root ginger, shredded 500 grams, 1 pound boned chicken, cut into 1-inch strips, 2 celery sticks, sliced 125 grams, 4 ounces button mushrooms, quartered 1 green pepper, cored, seeded, and sliced 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, shredded rind of 2 lemons, a few lemon slices to garnish, 2 tablespoons oil for stir-frying. Directions: put the sherry, spring onions and ginger in a bowl. Add the chicken, toss well to coat, then leave to marinate in the bowl for 15 minutes. Heat the oil in a wok or frying pan. Add the celery, mushrooms, and the green pepper and stir-fry for 1 minute. Add the chicken and marinade, then cook for 3 minutes. Stir in the soy sauce and lemon rind, then cook for a further minute. To serve, pile into a warmed serving dish and garnish with lemon slices. Makes 4 to 6 servings. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends.